Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to quickly show you how to change phone number on Revolut. So it's pretty easy and straightforward. Let's get into the video. Open up your Revolut application and make sure you're logged in. So I'm just logging into my account. So once you have logged in here, so what you want to do, if you want to change your phone number, on your top left here, click on your profile. So once you click on your profile, scroll down and you will see an option called account. So, all right, click on account. So once you get to account here, you will see an option called personal details. So click on personal details. So under personal details here, you'll have the phone number option. So click on phone number option and then change your phone number. So type in whatever you want to update it to, and then once you're done with that, just hit on the done option here. That's it. So once you hit on done, that's it. It will change your phone number. So that's pretty much it is. So that's how you change your phone number on Revolut. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.